This is a factory that makes paper. I visited in India. Majority of the workers were female. This factory is built for the purpose of creating jobs for the women who live in the nearby villages. There were some male working here, but majority of the workers are female.
So here you go, the pulp comes in these crates. And put it here, between every sheet there is a cotton sheet so that they don't stick together.
The way they make the paper, they recycle the old clothing and fabrics and make paper out of them.
Comes into pieces like this and then it's stick together, so this is where they do the sorting. They separate them. So this is the first part where
This is the city of Orchha, which was close to the factory. I stayed here 2 nights. This is a very religious city. It is a tourist city. Now they attracted a lot of tourists because of the palaces which are here. They also attract a lot of local tourists, Indian from other parts of India. They travel specifically to this city for the religious purposes. It's a religious city, highly religious city. All the restaurants in this city are vegetarian. You cannot find even chicken or goat meat in any of the restaurants in this city.
Eagle. Elephant.
Yeah, it's okay.
कमाने के लिए मैं तो जो दे देते हैं अरे है इतने कहाँ से 1300 में कैसे 600
I was trying to buy a few of these statues, the bronze statue, but we couldn't agree on the price. But then later I found that his prices actually were very reasonable. Because this city compared to other cities, let's say Jaipur or Agra or Varanasi, doesn't get that many tourists. So the prices were very reasonable to buy souvenirs. The 2 days that I stayed here, there were a lot of religious ceremonies going on early in the morning, or late at night, during the day. So it was a really interesting city to visit.
Amazing. So they actually want affection.
Very kind man. I've got it. Kind face. Kind.